So today we're going to be looking at weights. I have two types of scales, which are instruments that measure weight. One is a digital scale that gives me a number back, and the other one is a balance, which is a type of scale that compares two different objects. And I have a bunch of classroom objects in front of me. I'm going to weigh them on the digital scale, and then we can compare them using the balances. So we'll start with the eraser cap. How many ounces do you think this eraser cap is going to be? When I put it on the digital scale, it says it's less than 1 ounce. It's only 1/8 of an ounce, so it's pretty light. And let's look at our bigger eraser. How heavy do you think our large eraser is? Is it ounces? Is it pounds? Well, when I put it on the scale, it says it's almost 1 ounce. It's 7/8 of an ounce. So if I put it in this side, which side will be up? This one. I'll take out my erasers and I'll next compare a pencil. So with my pencil, how many ounces do you think this is? Is it going to be heavier than this? Heavier than the other eraser? It says it's about 1/4 of an ounce. So it's between the two erasers' weights. And let's look at my Expo marker. How heavy do you think this would be? It says it's about 3/8 of an ounce. So it is supposed to be a little bit heavier. So which side is going to go down? There we go. Next, I will compare two different types of tape. I'll start with the masking tape and then move to the Scotch tape. How heavy do you think the masking tape is? Is it ounces? Is it pounds? The masking tape is 3 ounces. Until it's much heavier than all of these objects. And what about the Scotch tape? How heavy do you think that is? This is about 1/2 of an ounce. So which side is going to go down? This side is definitely heavier. And the final is kind of an odd pairing. I had one last classroom thing and I decided to go to my kitchen and grab a purple onion. We'll start with the last classroom object, a single hole punch. How heavy do you think this is? It's about 1 3/4 ounces. So it's heavier than the Scotch tape, but lighter than the masking tape. And what about the onion? How heavy do you think this onion is? About the size of my fist or so. This onion is almost exactly 1 pound, which is the same as 16 ounces. So it's over 10 times heavier than the hole punch. Which side is going to go down? Broken a little bit. Good. Now let's see how a pound really compares. So this side is 1 pound. This side is about, I think we said 1 3/4 ounces. So this would make it 4 3/4. This is another 1/2. That makes it about 5. You can see a pound is a lot more than all of our little ounce measurements combined. You need 16 ounces to get all the way up to a pound. So weights kind of depend. If you haven't already watched the conversion lesson, go ahead and watch that so you can know how to multiply and divide different weights to get from one unit to another.